black, I'm black, you black, buy black, you black, I'm black, buy black.
We need a black Wall Street. Black Wall Street. Let's build a black Wall Street. Black, so we can black Wall Street.
Imagine what would happen if your favorite rapper rapping spent the money wasted on jewels and opened new schools. Black Wall Street. Nah, this ain't game click. This a black oasis, a place that came with all black residents. School board president, look like the students, so the policy ain't prejudice. We didn't have to settle with shade throwing haters. Those same folk that hate us, those same folk that hang us. Granny said southern black folks had it hard. Once a daddy was free, he was off of one job, sharecropping. Same thing as a denture service, plus you had to pay the boss man to use the tools you work with. Occupation most had after emancipation, for rent and their food, ex-master they were paying. That's a cycle of death, just like the cycle today. Cause you work to your death, the deed ain't in your name. And there's little black wealth, cause we making it rain. Pouring money into companies that won't do the same.
We need a black Wall Street. Black Wall Street. Let's money let it circulate. Black Wall Street. Black, so we can black Wall Street. Black Wall Street. Black Wall Street. Let's build a black Wall Street. Black Wall Street.
Put your money where your mouth is, put it where your house is. Buy all black everything, even outfits. Let me break it down. You have $1 and you take it down the block to the shop owned by Mr. Johnson, and you cop a black-owned, black-made soda pop. Mr. Johnson says, thanks for your business, thanks a lot. And you like it, so you tell all your friends to go and buy it. Mr. Johnson business booms, so now he needs a sidekick. He hires your best friend's big brother Keith. Now Keith's got a job, so he's staying off them streets. Keith grows up to be police, serve the hood he grows up in. His partner said that kid's a threat. He said that's my brother's friend. Keith's as big as black, Mr. Johnson's is too. That same black bank donates to your school. Shoot, that black-owned soda company does too. Exactly what Black Wall Street did. Imagine every person in your hood, money stacking, wealth accumulating, economic trapping.
Griot, what happened?
Do you hear those bombs falling from the sky?
Bang, bang, bang.
Buildings burning down, people dying left and right.
Bang, bang.
But this ain't Iraq, this is Black Wall Street. We're black-owned buildings to the KKK came to kill them. I'm talking black hospitals, black banks, black schools, black pharmacy, black judge, blacks made the rules. Black-owned businesses and black-owned planes to the KKK, burn it down out of hate.
Why the KKK here, but the Black Panthers going? Why the Klan killed my granny's dad and burned a cross on his lawn? I'm just saying, Griot B, that seems hella wrong. So why the KKK here, but the Black Panthers going? Can you teach about that in the song?